In this video, I'll show you how to construct a square. Hi everyone and welcome to another video from EGD Online. In today's video, I'll show you how to construct a square using your compass. Note that I'm using a blue pen to show my construction lines, and for this example, I will use the measurement of 60 for my side length of my square. First, I will extend my first side using a construction line. This will allow me to apply the perpendicular method on point A. After applying the perpendicular method, I can go draw in my second side and label it as C. Next, you can take your compass and place it on point B. Adjust it to the full length of the side and draw an arc above point B. Apply the same step to C, but construct your arc to the right. Next, you can take your ruler and join the crossing point to C and B. You can also label the crossing point as D. If you found the video helpful constructing a square, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to stop by our Facebook page for new content and videos. And if you're looking for something more gaming related, I do remind you that I also stream to Twitch. Link to that will be in the description below.